Basta gawa ka lang po ng way mo. Basta at least ang gagawa ka is mag-review ka, sulat sa konting review. Actually, ako naman po yung tuturo sa focus sa private school. Although, syempre, alam niya naman dita, hindi naman ganun kalaki. So, kaya ang ginagawa ko po, kumuha po ako ng tutorial para at least madagdagan yung income. So, actually, ang start ng klase namin is 7 o'clock and matatapos po siya ng matatapos po siya ng 12. So, 12 o'clock. So, 12 to 12:30, maglilinis po ako ng classroom. 12:30 to 1:30. So, may simula na po yung tutor ko. Then, yung 1:30 to 2:30, yung pa po yung isa. So, kumbaga, ano din po yung pagtuturo ko natin. Kaya lang, syempre mahirap din po kasi mag-tutor sa special children with special needs, no? So, kaya lahat ng strategies, lahat ng mga dapat kong gawin ay ginagawa ko na para caught the attention of this special child. Siyempre with special needs. So, although kasi meron po mga bata, especially yung mga special child with special needs, meron po kasi silang mga kalakasan, especially magaling po sila sa math, o kaya magaling po sila sa English, pero some other subjects, they were not already given such time to know that. Kaya tapos actually yung mga ganyan po kasi yung mga special children with special needs, supposedly parang 4 hours lang po sila magtatagal. Hindi po siya magtatagal. Yung mas matagal pa po kasi getting bored na po sila when it comes to the specific subject that the children will undergo, no? So actually hanggang 12 o'clock naman po siya, pero kitang-kita po natin yung normal na bata, especially tsaka yung special children with special needs, irritated po sila. So they doesn't want to stay longer in the school. So thank you po 2 million viewers, 2 million thumbs up. Kaya po, ganun po sila. So, ang hirap para sa sitwasyon ng mga bata, especially sa teachers, no? Uy, thank you po sa 3 million thumbs up. Uy, Rita, Rita, thank you. Namaste, namaste. Okay, so it's very hard for the teachers to teach the students, especially if they were already mixed with the children with special need and also the normal kids. No? So both of them naman are normal, but these children has their own special needs. No? So the teacher will be the one to level also their teaching, especially for those persons the advanced learning. You know. I'm not using it today so that I can already make this blog 2 hours. So and my battery will become low. My battery low. So that is why yun po yung natin. Same time, so you know that situation or you know that our surroundings is the clouds will become thicker and thicker and thicker and they will become black, no, or gray because of the heavy rains that the clouds because of the condensation and evaporation. Okay, thank you very much. Magordrila, how's your day? So, did you eat your chapati? So, have you already familiar with chapati? Can you share about how to do the chapati? Idol Magordrila. Magordrila, why your profile pic is letter N? So you need to change it. Miss you live YouTube, Mr. Rosa. Thank you. Magorita, Rila, can you change your profile pic for YouTube because maybe the YouTube doesn't